reasonable request. And I'm telling them, cut her out. You guys can get contact with me. Cut her out, though, for her safety.
I think the danger is that it looks like, in a film where we're documenting the masculinity movement and asking questions about whether it's damaging or abusive, right? Asking questions about how appropriate it is in relation to women, then we can't allow someone, even the appearance of someone, silencing a woman. The idea.
Silencing a woman, right?
I'm not silencing a woman.
I'm counting the lies.
She doesn't want to be in the documentary. I can show you the text message or call her on three-way and let you hear it yourself. She does not want to be in the documentary whatsoever.
But Angie's on your screen, Mario.
She's not. She hasn't been on my streams in months. She has not been on my content for a shit. That's fine, but she hasn't been on my streams for months.
Sorry, I think I was on yeah, I muted my mic. But yeah, guys, I hope everybody's well. I hope everybody's had a great weekend. Overnight, we've been pumping on the NQ Asia and London session. So I expect a bit of a drop. If this market's going to continue higher, I expect previous day highs today. If we can hold here. If we can't hold here, I'm looking to long here and here. These are going to be scalp trades, okay? If you wanted more of a swing trade, you want this pivot to hold so you can take it to the next liquidity zone, which is going to be a certain number of the previous day highs. So pretty simple plan today. I do think we're going to sell off a little bit harder today. I'll be looking to see a reaction here. If I don't see anything there, then I'll be another one here and another one here. So yeah, I am a little bit bearish on the market today. I don't personally think this is going to hold. I think we're going to come back inside. We're going to hit here and hit here today. So I am looking to take a long here, but I have to see if it's worth my time. If it's worth my risk, sorry. Because we're right next to it and we're right at the open, and usually open, flushes quite a little bit. So maybe to here and then a big move back to the upside. I am a bit exhausted today, hey? I am a little bit exhausted. Alright, we've got a couple of minutes until the open. At least we know our plans. We have our plan in motion. But yeah, least likely scenario is this is going to pump straight to the upside. Maybe it does though, who knows, hey? Nobody knows what's going to happen. We can only make a plan and see if our pivots hit. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. We've got a couple of minutes left. Maybe they do squeeze them because there's a lot of shorts that's opened up at the highs here. So maybe they do. Maybe they do go and rip it higher. $850s is definitely a target as well, which is way up there. Bulls are getting absorbed right now. Okay, we've got a minute until the open. Don't think we've got any news today either. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, market's trying to rally. Maybe it's going to rally and take them out. It's kind of what I'm thinking. All right, here we go. Selling off. Don't really fancy long in this right now. Right at the open. Ah, well. Yeah, they protected the level. I probably should have longed it, eh? Oh, well. It's ripping. Yeah, that was... Man, I did that last Friday as well, where I missed the trade because of the open. That sucks. Oh well. This is probably gonna rally now, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna go now. This is gonna rally, guys. This is gonna rally now. That was it. That was the area I was looking at for the long. Yeah, this is gonna go. This is gonna go, guys. This is gonna rocket to the upside. That's huge. Delta just came in on the orders. That's gonna rip through. There we go. There she goes. I don't think it's gonna stop either. I think it's gonna keep going towards those highs. Yeah, should have executed, eh? Made the same mistake I did on Friday. Just hate executing in the first 30 minutes these days. CES. Okay, ES is a bit sluggish. ES has a catch-up trade here. Once it gets past the previous weak point of control where it's rejecting, it should fly. Now NQ's ready to fly. Bitcoin's flying right now. Yeah, that's going crazy. I missed another cracker, eh? Missed another cracker. Could have got easy 90 points. Ah, man. That's a bit crazy. Hey, what can you do? Yeah, it's so bullish, guys. It's really, really bullish. I think it just might continue just rallying for the whole day. and maybe sell off towards the end. That's kind of what the vibe I'm getting here. Has ES taken the high yet? No. So until ES takes this high, I don't think this is. Yeah, there it is. Okay, ES is pulling back a bit. Okay, small pullback. Could turn into something bigger. It's trying to slam it now, the bears. Coming in pretty strong here. Oof. Bears are coming in pretty aggressive. That's really aggressive by the bears. They might get squeezed. It's looking a bit bearish though, I must say. It's looking a bit bearish. Looking like they might bring this market down. Give us a sec, guys. Yeah, big pullback. Big pullback. Really big pullback on the NQ here. Really big pullback, guys. Really big pullback. Isn't looking amazing for the NQ here. They really need to hold these levels if it's going to carry on bullish. We're stepping back in. Sec, guys. Right. Yeah. You saw. No, I took it up. It's here. All right, guys. Sorry about that. Market's pulling back here. It's looking a bit weak. I could rally at any point. It's looking heavy to the downside, though. It's pretty crazy. And it's getting absorbed as well. Bulls are getting absorbed. Kind of what happened on Friday. Went up and then we sold off. Bull stepping in. Really aggressive. Beautiful. Beautiful push by the bulls. This is gone. Wow. What a push. That's crazy. They just came out of nowhere. They're going for new highs. They're going to keep pushing. This is insane. Oof. Wow. All the liquidity is to the upside. This is crazy. Yeah, we all know where this is going, eh? ETH is going higher. think we're going to get to at least 27 or 2800 on ETH. Just like last cycle, this big bounce happened and then pull back. I think that's the same thing that's going to happen on ETH. Get this rally, get this pull back, and then bull market. Neocoin is doing good today. Some AI coins are really flying. And Q's flying right now. Oof, look at this. As soon as it broke out that point of control, yes, it's gone crazy. It's even more aggressive than the NQ right now. Shorts are just getting obliterated right now. Yeah, so we missed a great long at the open. I think it's going to be one of those days where it's just going to make lower highs and just carry on squeezing until it gets to at least previous day highs here. Circle back on Bitcoin. What's oil doing today? So oil's coming down. Let's check on some news. Keep an eye on some news as well. They're letting a few ships through the Strait of Hormuz. That's easing oil pressure. Besson was saying. Okay. All right. Dixie's coming back down. 10 years coming back down today. Seems like a risk on type of day today. Silver and gold are really stagnant. They're not really going anywhere. Let's check a look at this BTC gold chart today. Okay. This is looks like it might have bottomed. Let's look at the BTC silver. Yeah. VIX is also starting to decay. Another bullish sign. Yeah, bull stepping back in. This is just, yeah, I feel like it's going to be one of those days where they're just going to keep pull back long, pull back long, pull back long. Just squeeze it until the bulls are satisfied and all the targets are met. That's probably when you're going to see a bigger pullback, but I don't see that pullback until probably tomorrow, in all honesty. I've seen these type of days many, many times on a Monday before. Okay. Yeah, bull stepping straight back in. So much liquidity stacked to the upside. Orderflow is just getting absorbed. It's actually bearish. There's a lot more aggressive shorts than longs right now, and it's all just getting absorbed, which is crazy. They just keep getting absorbed and stopped out every time the market moves higher. This is what you call a short squeeze. Absorbs them, then takes them out. Absorbs them, takes them out. Yeah, these shorts are going nowhere right now. Yeah, here come the bulls. Yeah, like I said, I think it's going to be one of those days. I'm probably going to end up getting off the stream pretty early today, guys. I just don't think it's going to be one of those. It's not worth it. It's just going to be a squeeze type of day. I'm not going to really get any pivots. I missed the opening trade, which is this one. So I don't really think I'm going to get anything else today, in all honesty. I'll stay on for a little while, see how it goes. I've seen this story many times. It's just going to keep squeezing to the upside. It's good for scalpers though. They'll take 20 points, 30 points. No. They can long every pullback. About 5 minutes until the next 30-minute candle opens. I see QQQ. Okay, yeah. SPY's on a big gamma level. Yes, it's pulling back a bit. NQ is looking like a beast again. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, it's going for a new high. There she goes. This is what they're doing. They're absorbing shorts, and then all of a sudden aggressive longs come in and just short squeeze them. That's what they're doing. Pull back, short squeeze. Pull back, absorption, short squeeze. Pull back, absorption, short squeeze. Where do they put the stops? Just above the recent highs. So that's what they're doing. Well, Pepe coin is up 15% today, eh? Solana, Sui is doing really well. It looks really bullish. Alright, new 30-minute candle just open. Back to the downside on NQ. Okay. This is just gonna keep squeezing, guys. Yeah, it's gonna just keep squeezing. I don't see this giving us a big move down like this. This is probably just gonna squeeze its way to here and then probably drop tomorrow. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Maybe it doesn't even drop tomorrow. It continues rallying, but I don't see a drop today. I I see this kind of choppiness, and yeah, I don't really fancy trading that. So yeah, I'm probably going to give this another 20 minutes, guys, and I'm probably going to get out of here, guys. I'm not going to be trading it. Let's give it a sec, guys. All right, guys. Yep. So that's exactly what NQ is doing here. It's just going to squeeze, guys. This is all it's going to do for the remainder of the day. This is what it's going to do. It's just going to squeeze like this, and eventually it's going to get to its target. So no interest in trading this until I get this pivot now. I missed this trade at the open. It is what it is. And I'm not chasing this. This is just a short squeeze type of move now. It's just going to keep squeezing until the bulls have reached their targets and they're no longer going to absorb and close their positions. Bitcoin's ripping. This is a nice level on Bitcoin. A really nice level if we can get up here for a short. Back down to up to 87. That would be a really nice. That would catch a lot of people off guard. Because a lot of people expect this to just roll over, right? So if it pumps higher, this is going to get bulls very excited that the bull run is back. And it's probably not going to get a lot of retail short in here. They're going to think also, you know, the bull run's back. And I think that's going to be the area where this is going to roll over. That would be a really nice. That'd be a really nice play in my opinion. Yeah, I would love that. But it could get up here and then make a lower high and then start a bull market. That's also possible. But that still makes a good short on Bitcoin. Yeah, NQ just made a new high. It's going to keep doing this, guys. Yeah. AI coins are really blasting today. Check out some AI coins. Yeah, they're really blasting. Even ENA starting to move. Destra. Yeah, some nice AI coins starting to move. NQ's ripping. ETH at 2300 as well. Some of these coins are going to blast off, guys. They will blast. They will do really well. Myro, Floki. And gone.